Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we got a great one for you. We're going to keep it super simple and very delicious, and what we're going to be doing is grilled chicken strips on the new Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so I just wanted to show you exactly what we got here. Actually, I already made a few, but what do we got here? Chicken tenderloins, Heritage, it was about $7 for the whole pack. So what we're gonna do is take some out and take you to the next step. See you in a minute. All right, so I took 5 of them out of the pack. Here's we got chicken tenderloins, our chicken strips. And we're going to keep it easy. I just took them out, and all we're going to do is season them up. What I'm going to be using is some Montreal chicken. Now, of course, you can use any seasonings that you like to go with chicken, or whatever you like. So let's go ahead and get these things seasoned up. Okay, super easy. They are all seasoned up. Now let's go ahead and get these things grilled up. See you in a minute. Okay, so we are at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. So what we're going to do first thing is we are going to be using the thermometer. So we're going to go ahead and plug that into the side here. We're going to go ahead and turn the unit on. And over here you see where it says preset and manual. We're going to go ahead and hit manual. I like the manual function. The bottom is going to blink. Pick whatever you want. We're going to pick grill. Leave it on high. If you hit manual again, you can change your target temperature to whatever you want to change it to. We're going to leave it at 165. So we're all set to go. You hit grill again, takes you right back to the main screen, and that's it. So go ahead and hit start. It's going to preheat, and we'll be back to put this chicken on when it's done preheating. See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. As you can see, it says add food. That means it is heated up and ready to go. So we're going to open this up, and again, we're using the drip pan and the grill grate. We got our chicken here. What we're going to do is go ahead and put our chicken on and get some sizzle. Press that down a little bit. Want some nice grill marks on there for sure. So go ahead and get these bad boys right on there. All right, now we are using the thermometer to track the internal temperature. So I'm going to go out here on this far one outside and put that gauge in there. And the reason why is because the outside ones seem to get a little done a little faster than the internal ones, but we're going to go ahead and close this thing down. It's going to resume. It'll show you what your internal temperature of your meat is, which looks about 58 degrees right now, and then our target temperature internal for chicken is 165. So when it gets close to that, I'll tell you to turn it. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so internal temperature of the meat right now is 122. Right, okay, so we're on 122 now. It says flip. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. And give it a quick flip. Ooh, it's hot. And you probably want to use some mitts when you do this. Those are looking good. All right, so I turned it over, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and close this thing back up. Let it resume. Once that internal temperature reaches 165, it will shut down, and we'll see you then. All right, guys, so we are back. Now, right now we have an internal temperature of 161. At 162, I'm actually going to pull this one over here off. So let's open that up. And I'm going to pull this one off completely. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it rest. Okay, so I'm going to give that about 5 minutes. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and check the temperature of the other ones to make sure. First of all, I'm going to check this outside one. And that one's at 162. That one's done. Let's check the middle here. 160, 161, 162. and 162. And 160, 162, probably 162 on the button. That's awesome, guys. Phenomenal. All of them done right at the same temperature. So anyway, we're done. Let's take it to the cutting board and take a look at these things. See you in a minute. All right, guys. This is what we ended up with. Oh, that's nice grill marks on them. And these things were done in 6-7 minutes. Super good. And ooh, they're still hot, but nice. So let's take a bite. Those are juicy and fall apart. Those are oh so good. And remember, you can use any seasoning that you want. All right, I'll meet you up top. All right, guys, we are finished with the cook. Now, that cook took about 6 to 7 minutes to get all those done. It seems like I put them in, flipped them, took them out. That was it. You can fit a lot more on there. I just wanted to, get some nice, grill marks and stuff on them. So yeah, pretty looking chicken and pretty tasty chicken as well. So yeah, that's how you do chicken on the new Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. And leave an awesome comment. With that being said, well, I'm gonna enjoy some chicken. We'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.